Hi dears, let's make some Valentine's Day crafts. First one is a greeting card. For that, take a brown paper bag and draw a teddy as shown in the picture. Now cut and paste it on the card you are going to make. Draw the eyes, nose, ears, whatever detailing you can. Now you can draw 3 strings tied onto the hand. Now take red color craft paper, cut heart shapes, fold it into half and paste it as shown in the video. You can write your personalized message here. Thus our cute easy Valentine's Day card is ready. Moving on to the next one, now we are going to make a gift idea. For that you can take used food box, apply some glue on it. I am using Fevicol. Now you can paste tissue paper on top of it. Now apply some glue mixed with water on top of it. Once it is dry, you can apply some watercolor to paint the sky. Now you can take a used brown paper bag and tear it into thin strips using your hand as shown in the video. We need 5 to 10 such pieces. Now twist the papers as shown in the video. You can twist all the papers like this. Now paste them using glue as shown in the video. Yes, what you are guessing is right. We are going to make a tree. Now cut red color craft paper into small square pieces and twist it using the end of a pencil. Now you can paste them to form the canopy of the tree. Now fold a thin green color craft paper and cut V shapes to form grass. Now either draw or take a printout of your favorite couple silhouette and paste it in the background. Thus our cute Valentine's Day craft is ready. Now the third one. For this we have to draw 2 simple bears as shown in the video. We are drawing 2 polar bears with minimal detailings so that anyone can draw it so easily. Once it is done, you can make a cutout of the same. Now fold the paper as shown in the video. Paste the picture and add 2 arms as shown in the video. Now you can cut a heart shape and paste it as shown. Thus our cute Valentine's Day card is ready. You can write a message inside and this is a unique one. Now tell me which is your favorite one, first, second or third. Also, please subscribe to our channel and enable the bell button so that you can get notification of all new videos. Thank you for watching.